The best projects are informed by experts in their fields. This is particularly important in healthcare, where translating the best ideas around health into architecture defines the very best projects. Literally thousands of Ohio State faculty, staff, their friends and family, and members of our community have walked through this very space to see for themselves what a truly world-class hospital we built. As part of Ohio State's land-grant mission, the Wexner Medical Center is committed to serving and being a resource for people across Columbus and across all of Ohio. Modern medicine is about teamwork and collaboration, and our hospital design reinforces our efforts to coalesce as a team around patients and their loved ones, prioritizing their needs and optimizing their healthcare journey. The impact of this hospital will be felt in every patient's story, every family's future, and every breakthrough discovery for decades to come. This thoughtfully designed, state-of-the-art hospital, and most importantly, the dedicated people across the Wexner Medical Center, sets us up to do just that.